Very good morning to all. I'm Dr. Ketana, and my topic is on thermal comparison of torsional and longitudinal phacoemulsification using infrared recording. I have no financial disclosure to report. Thermal imaging involves the detection of infrared radiation emitted from an object, and it is non-invasive for both surgeon and patient. Heat distribution analysis is important for both preventing and estimating possible damage inside the eye and on its surface. So very little information is available in the recent literature about the impact of different modalities of phacoemulsification on ocular surface temperature, and most of the studies available are done in vitro under laboratory conditions. Our aim was to study the change in surface temperatures during torsional and longitudinal phacoemulsification and to assess its relation to intraoperative parameters. We had done a prospective observational study. 89 eyes, age group 55 to 65 years, undergoing cataract surgery divided into two groups, and who underwent torsional phacoemulsification and who underwent longitudinal phacoemulsification. A calibrated thermal camera was kept at a uniform distance of 50 cm from the eye for video recordings of the surface temperature during phacoemulsification. And frame analysis was done using the camera software to detect the maximum surface temperature reached. As you can see here, the one which is in blue color is the eye, and this is the phaco probe. And you can clearly see the tip heating up, and we are recording the temperature using a pointing marker. Statistical analysis of the results were done, and coming to results. First, we compared the tip temperatures in torsional versus longitudinal, and even though the temperatures were a bit on the higher range in torsional, there was no statistical difference between the tip temperature when we compared the two modalities. But however, the time taken to reach the maximum temperature was significantly differed in both. It was rather slow in torsional phacoemulsification, that is 96.66 seconds, as compared to longitudinal, which is only 73.78 seconds. And this difference was significant statistically. We also noticed that in torsional phacoemulsification, 40% of the eyes showed a limbal rise of temperature, while in longitudinal mode, only 4% showed limbal rise of temperature, which is rather significant. And we also compared the temperature of the tip, that is in Kelman versus balanced tip, and the difference, even though the difference between the temperatures was not statistically significant, Kelman tip showed a rather higher temperature, so lower temperature are observed with balanced tip. We also calculated the cumulative dissipated energy, and it was rather low in torsional. However, there is no correlation between the maximum surface temperatures observed and the CDE in either modes. Coming to discussion, Han, Vaike et al. Compared the torsional mode and longitudinal mode under the same display console power settings and found that torsional phacoemulsification produced less heat than longitudinal phacoemulsification at every experiment. While Na Ryu et al. Compared the heat production of three different phacoemulsification machines, and they found that torsional with phacoemulsification generated less heat than longitudinal phacoemulsification. And Bokwan Jun et al. Evaluated the change and difference in corneal surface incision and handpiece temperature during longitudinal and torsional modes. And incision temperature was influenced by ultrasound modality and was significantly lower with the torsional. And Jamie Zacharias et al. Studied the thermal profiles of three phacotip designs in simulated surgical conditions, and the balanced tip produced minimal thermal peaks in all the tests. In our study also, balanced tip showed lesser temperature, even though the difference between the temperatures were not significant statistically. And Yu et al. Compared a modified phacoemulsification tip with an established microtip in terms of temperature, and the two different bad tips showed no significant difference in thermogenesis. However, the balanced tip with sleeve produced lower temperatures at 100%, and torsional power and better efficiency than Kelman tip. And To conclude, in our study, temperatures were found to be raised significantly in torsional phacoemulsifications at the limb in 48% of cases, and time taken to reach the maximum temperature significantly differs in both, and temperature rise is rather a slow process in torsional phacoemulsification. The tip temperatures in both modalities were comparable, and CDE has no correlation with the surface temperature, while the use of balance tip decreases maximum temperature reached. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. Can we have questions, please? Judges, can we have the questions, please?
Yeah. Did you use the Kelman tip and the balance tip in the same phaco machine, or was it used in different phaco machines?
We used single phaco machine only, sir.
So is it Infinity or the Centurion?
Centurion, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you will excuse me, I have to go to the shield hall for my presentation. If you permit me for about 8-10 minutes.
Your name, sir?
Dr. Shroff. I am one of the judge here in Parson Hall.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir.
I'll join you again once my presentation is over.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. If others don't have any question, we will go to the next presentation, which will be on visual outcomes of bilateral implantation of extended depth focus lenses.
Dr. Kitana,
Yes,
what the phaco settings were the same in all of the tips, the phaco power, the vacuum and everything was the same settings, or the settings were different?
Settings were almost the same, sir, because we took only NS2, means similar grade cataracts, so we need not change the settings.
All the settings, phaco power and everything was the same. The surgeon was same or the surgeon was different?
Surgeon was same, OT was same, the timing was same, and all the settings, OT, temperature, everything settings were same, sir. That's why we compared. That's why we were able to compare.